welcome back to my channel again. My name is Rachel. If you're new here, hey, welcome so much. If you have not subscribed, make sure you hit that subscription button down below. Today I'm here to do my eyes. I'm doing an eyeshadow. That is why I've done the brows, I've done everything, I've done even the lips. The only thing that is remaining is the eyes, and that is what I want to get down to right now. And the first thing I want to do is to prime my eyes. And guys, make sure you like this video and give me down your comments and tell me what you think about the look. So the first thing I need to do is to prime, and I'm priming using this concealer. Yes, I normally like to prime my eyes with a lighter shade. Then after doing that, I want to go in with this faux concealer here. It's the shade, I think it's the shade Final Love. Yeah, it's the shade Final Love. So let me put on the concealer on top of that, but I just want to just do a little bit of it. Oh my god, I have some hair here. Yes, so after that I'm going to pick up my beauty blender, then I'm going to blend up everything. Once you prime your eyes, that's what you're going to have after priming your eyes. I'm sure you guys can see this. Yes, that's what you will have. The next thing you need to do is to now put on the eyeshadow. And first of all, I'm going to pick up this brush. This brush is what I'm going to use, and I'm going to pick up this palette here. This palette is this palette. I'm sure if you're actually in Kenya, you know this stuff. It costs 100 bob. So yeah, I'm going in with this shade here, this brown shade, and this is where I want to go down to the outer part of my crease. I'm going to do the same thing on my other eye. And when you're going down into your crease, I don't think it's really necessary to tap. I think you need to just rub it out. Yeah, like that. Then you're going to blend up. This is how you blend from the back to the front. And that's how you blend. Make sure you blend it in well to give you the desired color that you want. Yeah, I'm sure you guys can see how it has blended. We are going to do the same thing on this other eye. You have blended everything like that. Then you're going to go to your palette again, and this is the palette I'm going to use. I'm now going to use a bit of a darker shade. I'm going to use this shade over here. It's a dark brown shade. I'm sure if you guys can really focus. Yeah, it is the shade that I'm going to use. And I'm going just to go up above the crease a little bit with this shade. Once I'm done with that, I'm going to blend up. Yeah. My desired outcome. Don't worry about the lid here, because you're just going to clean it up with your concealer. So just worry not about the lid. You're just going to clean it up. Make sure you blend it well. So after I have done that, guys, I'm going to pick up this brush over here. As you can see, it already has a dark shade, and I'm going to draw my cat eye with this palette here. Actually, it's the Relax palette. Actually, this is actually my favorite palette. Then I'm going in with the dark color, the black, the darkest color in this palette, which is the black. Let me just try and make it more sharp. I have already drawn my cat eye. I'm going to do the same thing on my other eye. There you have it, guys. So after that, I am going to draw this cat eye well from my eye. I'm just going to show you how I'm going to do this. Perfect, that's what I wanted. I want to do the same thing on my other eye. I think it's just perfect like that. So now the next thing I'm going to do, I think I'm actually done with the part about my crease and my crease. Now I'm going to go to my lid, and first of all I need to clean up my lid, and I'm going to use this concealer here. I'm going to cut crease. Cut creasing. I've already cut down, I have cut creased, So the next thing I need to do is I'm going to go in with this white shade or this silvery shade, and this is the shade that I'm going in on the front part of my eye, here. That white shade, I'm going with it on my other eye. There it is, guys. I'm sure you guys can see how it has become. I'm not sure if you can focus on that well, but there it is. So the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to change the brush, and I'm also going to change the palette. I'm going to use this palette here, and it's actually so used, don't mind it. I'm going to go in with this red color here. On the other part of my eye. On the rest part of my eye, I'm going in with this shade. And I'm also going to the part that I actually drew my cat eye. This is the shade that I'm going in with on that part. I was using the dark eyeshadow to just show me the way, show me on how I can actually put on these, and yeah, it has done its work. So there you guys have it. I'm going to do the same thing on my other eye. So guys, I'm going to remind you guys again, if you've not subscribed to my channel, make sure you subscribe down below, and make sure you like this video. Yeah, there you go. And I'm going to do the same thing on my other eye. Yeah, so there you guys have it. I'm sure now you can see what has happened to my eye. So guys, just give me a minute to put on my false lashes, then I'll be back. So guys, I'm back, and there you have it. There is my look, and we have the red eyeshadow, we have the silver eyeshadow, and we have everything. So guys, thank you so much for watching. If you have not subscribed, make sure you subscribe down below. See you guys in my next video. Bye.